From JAMB official website, JAMB official Twitter account, X account. Of course, you know that it is on their platform that they give us all the information we need to know, right? And here is this person asking. I'm making this video because a lot of you are also asking the same question. A lot of you all come to me directly inbox. Just pay attention. Let's review the answers JAMB has been given officially. Not this one is not hearsay. Officially on the JAMB Twitter handle where they give official information. This person said just 5 hours ago today said, can you just give us a date to when you can activate your portal for printing of original results? Many of you are already asking me, you lost your JAMB SIM, your SIM card, and you're not able to check your result, and you don't know what to do about it, right? So, and JAMB is saying, you are not asking, when can they upload your results on their portal so that you can see it? Even those that have checked want to see their result on the portal, and this is what JAMB is saying. JAMB replied, as soon as all processes regarding the 2025 UTME have been completed. So JAMB is saying that all of you that have been waiting for you to see your result on the JAMB portal, for you to calm down. Please calm down. They won't upload it until all the processes, all the exams they have is finalized, marked, and result released. The next question is this. This person is asking, and I've gotten this question several times. She said, please, when will those absentees and candidates with biometric challenges be rescheduled for the examination? Thanks. Some of you have been asking for the Mop-up exam and everything like that. This is what JAMB said. I am happy you are watching this. You need this information. Updates on the Mop-up, resit, and foreign UTME shall be communicated in due course. Please be patient. At the moment, nobody knows the date for the Mop-up JAMB exam. Nobody knows the date for the resit exam. Nobody knows the date. In fact, you are not the one to resit yourself. You just have to keep checking your portal to know if you were rescheduled to sit for the Mop-up exam, JAMB exam that is coming. I hope you are learning this. Are there other ways I can log into my portal if I use an invalid email address? Some of you have forgotten your email address, so you can't access your CAPS, you can't access the JAMB portal. What do you do? If you don't know how to do it, just join our YouTube channel and comment, drop the challenges you're having so that I can guide you on how you can do it. It will not be free. There is a fee to be charged. And some of you don't know how to upload your O-level result. You want to upload your O-level result, but you don't know how to do that. Also, chat me up. Just drop the comment. I can tell you, I have a guy that does it. I'll just charge you and he will do it for you. Right? So any issue you are having, and if you need to contact JAMB directly, visit this website. There's a site on the screen, support.jamb.gov.ng. You raise a ticket. If there is any issue you are having that you want to talk directly with JAMB, just go to your browser and click on support.jamb.gov.ng. If you want me to help, if you need me to send you this link, ask me for it, but I need you to just write it out, support.jamb.gov.ng. These are the relevant information I feel that all of you need to know at the moment, right? You don't need to joke with it. It's very, very crucial, very, very important. Now look at what JAMB said again. For some of you that have not seen your result and all the rest, he's saying results shall be released on the portal as soon as the processes regarding the 2025 UTME are completed. You'll record that the foreign UTME resit exam for candidates who were absent for genuine reason, and those with biometric verification issued have not been conducted. Please, are you among those that want to rewrite your exam? Did you miss any of your JAMB exams? Did you have biometric issues that day? I mean, what are the issues you're having? Let me know. Let me know if you want to rewrite. Let me know the issues you're having so that we can be able to solve it. Remember that website, that link I shared with you. If you want to talk to JAMB directly, just click on support. Remember, this is the official JAMB site, support.jamb.gov.ng, and you'll be able to lay your complaints to JAMB and all the rest. Remember that at the moment, pay attention, at the moment you can go ahead and upload your O-level results. When we mean upload your O-level result, we mean things like